In this dashboard, we have already used triggers with regard to our menu object. So when I click sales revenue, I got to this document. I can go back here, and also the sales details, this one here. We can use this button here to go to the previous document. Now the sales details document, we would like to go to that from our cross tab. So you can add a trigger to your cross tab as well. Let's try to do that. We'll need to go into design mode and properties, and here we can then add a trigger. And yes, we would like to open a document, and it's the one called sales details for trigger that I created here. And look over here, criteria transfer. We would like to include all the following criteria from all the following cubes, including the 2018 criteria, and also when I click something in the cross tab, we like to be transferred and replace whatever criteria we may have in the target document. So I just did that, and going back to consumer mode, we can now try it. So for instance, if I keep it at 2018 and then click one of my countries, I drill down on Italy, and then click my Bosch Casual Blue XL here, we can see that it actually transferred those criteria, the product, Italy, and 2018 over here. Now let's go back and look at one of the other options. So the trigger that we created for our cross tab, if we look into that again, I'll go into design mode, look into properties and my trigger, this one. And initially we just chose to transfer everything, but you can also refine that. So since I'm working with my search cube, I'll go in here and say that transfer everything except for my time dimension, the 2018 criteria up here. So again, going back to consumer mode and keep it at 2018 here, but let's try a different country. Could be Norway this time. And let's click the same product. It was Bosch Casual Blue XL. And clicking the cross tab will then start a trigger, transfer the product in Norway. But as you can see here, it did not transfer my time criteria.